My name is Adnan Aftab, and I've been serving for the last 25 years in appliances sector. I've served the Dollons, Shell, Waves, and now I am serving Airlink Communication and setting up Pakistan first mobile phone factory, mobile phone manufacturing plant in Pakistan. So I met Suhail Saab, माशाल्लाह से he is an entrepreneur. इनसे मेरा जब ये थर्ड इंजीनियरिंग में थे तो इंटरेक्शन रहा है एंड मैं सिर्फ 5S के बारे में बस इतना ही कहता हूँ जो मेरा अपना पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है कि ये हमारी हैबिट्स हैं.
We have Mr. Fuji from Japan also in the
participant. Okay, I'll speak in English.
Please speak in English.
Yeah, sure. Sorry. So according to my experience for what I have, because I've been to manufacturing business for the last 25 years, I believe that is the habit. It's not nothing. It's what you want. If you wanted to do something good, if you wanted to do something in organized way, then you can name it as 5S or whatever you call. But it's the habit. The only problem which we as in Pakistan have, that we always found ways of getting out from the problem. We are not getting into the problem and try to solve it. So once we have this thinking to solve, I have a very good example of continual improvement, and that I relate to the Hajj. Every year when you saw the Hajj session, if they have any problem in the previous session of Hajj, they improve and come up with a very, very good ideas and they implement it. Just like if I give you one example of Jumrat, I mean, 6 years back, Jumrat was like every time they have an accident. So now they come up with a very good solution. This is called a continual improvement for me. So if we wanted to do something, if we have a will and we wanted to do, we can do it. Yes, we cannot follow the exact philosophy of the Japanese, but at least they have a long research with them, and they whatever the theories they give, they are already proved it in Japan and rest of the world after the World War II. So I think we have to be very open on this, and we accept things and we try to find good ways in those philosophies. That's my opinion.
My name is Zia. I'm from Spell. Assalamu alaikum, Suhail bhai.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Good to hear from you, Suhail bhai. Just one comment. Whatever he said is doable. It is not out of the blue. It is something which is ordinary, easy, and implementable. So be motivated, be ready to do it. And if you have the will, it is a very easy thing. Thank you.
Even if it's not easy, Zia, it needs to be done for the sake of the company, for the sake of our country, for the sake of also the customers who must be made to rise. They have been subjected to all kinds of things, and now to say this is made in Pakistan is actually never talking about a quality product. Unfortunately, people have lost faith in our products.
Hi there. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you very well.
Anyways, so Suhail-san, thank you very much for your lecture. You extract a Japanese system much better than Japanese people, and then really encouraged for it. But one thing that I like to comment is, we are all ordinary people, and then Japanese system tried to make some ordinary people to do extraordinary things to using this system. So I think that is a basic philosophy that in the beginning, Suhail-san introduced.
Yes.
I just like to make some comment on this. Thank you very, very much.
Thank you for that statement. I should have made that statement, but I forgot to say that. That's right. That's absolutely correct.